Welcome back. Now let's have a look at the other happenings in the state.
Gundu Sitaram Amonkar, Vidyamandir's 110th Foundation Day was celebrated recently. A new Goa Educational Trust felicitated two personalities in the field of literature. G.S. Amonkar Excellence Award was presented to noted writer Prakash Paryekar, and Distinguished Alumna Award was given to Deepa Auchat. Along with students, Chairman of Dempo Group Srinivas Dempo, Trustee Ajay Sardesai, Headmistress Mabel Disa, teachers and others were present for the function. Excelling students were also felicitated at the function. Brahma Vishnu Mahesh Ganpati Temple is renovated by the members of the temple. The temple preserves 600-year-old idols. The members of the temple have given the idols to the archaeological department to preserve the older statues. They have given 5 idols to the department, like the Shivling, Nandi, idol of Lord Ganesh and Vishnu. Akron Aadhar Trust has donated a refrigerator, coffin and multipurpose van to the people of Aldona and Moira. John and Amar Brito of Akron Aadhar Trust, in memory of their beloved father, have donated the van to the poor and needy people. They feel that this will minimize the efforts of the people of Aldona to travel to GMC in Bambolim to lay the body in morgue. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And now news from sports. Churchill Brothers put up a very strong performance against northeast side Shilong Lajong. Henri Onshue scored a hat-trick to power Churchill's 6-0 thrashing of Lajong. With this win, Churchill have topped the I-League table, having played an extra match than Dempo. Meanwhile, Sporting Club de Goa and Mohun Bagan played out a 1-all draw at the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. The match lacked goal-mouth action but came alive in the final quarter.
10th round of I-League matches kicked off with some interesting prospects for 2 of the top 4 I-League teams. First off, Mohun Bagan took on Sporting Club de Goa at the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. The first half was dull, with the ball mainly bogged down in the midfield. There were a lack of chances on both team sides. It was not until the 73rd minute when India and Mohun Bagan defender Syed Nabi was quick to combine with his teammates and caught the Sporting defence napping to make it 1-0 for the home side.
Well, we were focusing on James Mogga, but McDowell's Mohun Bagan were focusing on the goal.
Minutes later, Victorino Fernandes earned the Goan side a penalty, and Okba Kalu stepped up ever so coolly to put Flaming Orange on level terms.
Who scores? Tucks it into the bottom left-hand corner. Well, I said he didn't deserve.
Thereafter, the match came alight with some end-to-end action. In stoppage time, James Mogga had a chance to win it for his side with this free kick, but that lacked bite. Whereas Orafa Okoli had a chance to win it for Mohun Bagan with the last kick of the match. Over at Fatauda, Churchill Brothers hosted Shilong Lajong and the match ended with a dramatic scoreline. Lalrandika Ralte made it 1-0 for Churchill on the 29th minute, while a minute later, Beto made it 2-0. In the second half, Henri Onshue added to Churchill's scoreline in the 49th minute. Endi Opara made it 4-0 in the 54th. Henri scored again in the 62nd and 80th minute to complete his hat-trick. With this win, Churchill are now at the top of the I-League table, having played an extra match than Dempo Sports Club. Dempo play Air India on Sunday. With Bureau Inputs, a reporter from Fatauda, good night.
Mechvac Fabricators have officially pulled out of the Goa Professional League Cricket 3. The team in red that was led by Saurabh Bandekar last season has sent in a letter to the Goa Cricket Association confirming their exit from GPL 3. On Thursday, GCA Secretary Prasad Fatharpekar had hinted that Mechvac and Sarvodaya might not be part of GPL 3. Fatharpekar has now confirmed that Mechvac have pulled out. Sarvodaya, on the other hand, will decide their own fate by the end of this year. The GPL 3 is supposed to be held in January.
On Thursday, GCA Secretary Prasad Fatharpekar had confirmed that 4 out of the 6 last year GPL teams had confirmed their participation, but Mechvac Fabricators and Sarvodaya Royals had not yet reverted. When Prudent contacted Fatharpekar on Saturday, he confirmed that Mechvac have pulled out citing financial reasons. This comes as a shock to GCA, as now they will have to bank upon the Bangalore-based Zorbian group to confirm their teams, or GCA might face a problem altogether hosting the tournament. Meanwhile, Sarvodaya Royals team owner Vilas Desai told Prudent that they will decide their fate within the next 10 to 15 days. Okay. किती एक्झॅक्टली रिझन तुमचे आणि किती शक्यता असा तुमचे काय कन्फर्म जातले तुमचे टीम या वर्सा?
नी आता थोडे दीस उरतले, एक 10-15 दिसांनी, एक 10 दिसां भितर जातले. मातशी नेगोशिएशन चलता तांचे कडेन.
ओके, सो ऑलमोस्ट तुमचे फायनलाइज जाल्ले आसा?
ना फायनल म्हणजे घालपाचे वो ना, तें डिसिजन जावपाचें, एक 10 दीस लागतले.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.